Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are gonna look how we can log in or sign on Tata Neu app. For that, just open the Tata Neu app. So when you open the app, here we can see an profile icon on the top corner, top right side. We can see the profile icon right here, and here we can see the login or sign up option. Just tap on it. So here we can enter your mobile number right here. So after entering the number, just tap on the get OTP option. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, one OTP will be sent on the number that you have given for the verification process. So we can see we have been given the OTP. Just give your name here. So after giving the your name, just tap on the let's go option. So we have successfully logged in. So this is how you're gonna log in or sign up on Tata Neu app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.